Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Tanya Lady T and you're cooking with Lady T. And tonight we're going to do homemade chicken nuggets. We're going to start out with some juicy chicken breast. This is about close to 2 pounds, if y'all can see that. And I'm going to have some baby carrots with it. The ingredients you're going to need is salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Those are my staples. You're going to need an egg, some chicken breader or either flour, and some panko crispy breaded crumbs. So let's get started. Okay, for the baby carrots, it's very simple. I've got a 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken stock and a 1/2 cup of water. And then I put a 1/2 stick of butter, a little pepper, onion powder, and salt. Okay, I've taken the baby carrots out of the bag and gave it a good little rinse, and we're just going to dump all those carrots in there. Okay, and we just put them in there, cover them up, and let them do their thing. You're going to have these on like medium high. Let them boil and cook until they're tender, and these will be done. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all, the next step is get your chicken breast, and you can use chicken breast, chicken tenderloins, whatever you prefer. Of course, I got the breast. I've already rinsed them off, cleaned them real good, and you can cut them up this way. You can cut them up with a knife this way, or and make chunks, or you can take these meat cutting shears. This is a handy dandy kitchen tool. So we're just going to cut this up in different chunks to your liking. Okay, y'all, now that we got the chicken all cut up into bite-sized pieces, variations, it's time to put the seasoning on. And we're just going to dash a little salt on there, some pepper, garlic powder, and this is optional. If you just want to do salt and pepper, that's fine. I got some onion powder. Y'all know I love onion powder, so let's just do it. And I'm also going to put a little cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Give it a little kick. Okay? And we're just going to mix that up. Again, if you want to use your gloves, you can. Okay, y'all, in a separate bowl, you're going to take an egg. Of course, crack your egg. It's going to be your egg wash. You don't have to put any seasoning in it. Just whip it. Whip it real good. Okay, after you whip it real good, then you're gonna put your chicken breaded or flour and then your panko crisp. So that's what we're gonna do now. I use Atkinson's chicken breader. It's already got some seasoning in it and it's fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna measure out about a cup. If we need to add more, we'll do so. Okay. Okay, in this bowl, of course, we're gonna put the panko. Okay. If we need to add more, we will. I'm gonna add a little Italian seasoning to my panko. I normally get the seasoned one, and I just realized it's not the seasoned one, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of this in it. Or you can actually crush up croutons, seasoned croutons, whatever you like. Italian herb, garlic and butter, whatever. That's also a good thing to do too. And just take your croutons, bash them up, and then they'll come out, you know, in pieces like this. So let's just put a little bit of that in there. And again, this is all optional. Okay. And then of course I'll just take these tongues since they're, just mix it up a little bit. Again, your chicken breader is already seasoned well along with your meat. Okay, and y'all, let's get to dipping. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take a chunk of our meat and just dip it over here in the flour. Okay, and I've got me just a paper plate over here. Okay, just coat it nicely. See how it's nicely coated? Then dip it down in your egg wash. Shake off the excess. And then dip it in your panko. Okay, and then you just sit it over here in the plate. And we're going to keep on going. Okay, y'all, everything is breaded, and so now we're going to put it in the oil. Now, you also can do this in the oven, where you just lay this out on the baking sheet, but we're going to do fried. Don't crowd your pan. I'm going to put like 10 in here, 10 to 12 at a time. Telling you, y'all, this is a awesome recipe. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to crowd the pan, so everything has opportunity to cook, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Fun, simple, quick and easy, and the kids will love it. You're feeding them something that's not processed, and hey, who says we can't make our own chicken nuggets? Okay, y'all, these are done. Look at that beautiful golden brown. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? So I'm going to take them out and we'll start on the next batch. Alright, y'all, you know I had to come back and taste it so y'all can see Telling you, nice and crispy. Wonderful. Y'all have got to try this for your family. Your own homemade chicken tenders. I was inspired to do this from years ago. A channel called Divas Can Cook. And she made them. I said, oh. So I've been making them throughout. And I just thought about it the other day. I want to make them. So here it is. Bon appetit. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And stay tuned for other videos to come. Thank you so much. Bye.